Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Solana and the Sol coin. Wanted to do a quick update on that. I try to cover it every once in a while. I monitor it every single day, so I felt like this was a good time. We're at quite an important moment in terms of market structure. Like if we break through this support level, we are going to be bearish. So just wanted to give you my thoughts on that, my full thoughts basically on today. Today is a pretty important day also with Bitcoin. We have some economic numbers coming out later today, which is the PCE price index. It's going to make the market move. I'll tell you about that. And we'll briefly take a look at the fundamentals. But before we get into Solana, if you want to receive daily trading signals, also on Solana, then check out the links down in the description or in the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join. All right, but now let's talk a little bit about Solana. So if we start off with some fundamentals, you can see that the daily active addresses for Solana have still been okay. Daily transactions are up, which is a good thing. Total value locked, it's stable. It's practically, it's been stable since the beginning of the year. We're relatively high. I mean, at 260 million. Well, relatively high. That's just the average. I mean, we were pretty high, like a little bit more than a week ago, but yeah, we're not doing bad at the very least. And Solana itself, I mean, technically, what you see right now is that we had some bullish momentum going on, and technically there's still some bullish momentum. But if you take a look at the EMAs, which are those colored waving lines in the middle, you can see that they're practically flat. Which means that we are moving sideways. All right, and you cannot easily identify some sort of a range. You could say something like this, and that we just had two fake outs, right? So this, and that we had a fake out here, which I guess is true because the EMAs are also in the middle here, but still it's not that confirmed. I do think that Solana can soon either pick up its uptrend again, or that we're going to get a downtrend, and I think that largely depends on this level right here between well, around $20, 20.15 and then 19.75. That's the main level. Practically what's going to happen, I think, is we're either going to break down below that, drop back down towards 18.5, 18.7 and be bearish, or we're going to be able to hold that, break above this level around 21.25, get towards 22.5 and be bullish. I think that's it. Now, obviously, I'll give you a little bit more of my thoughts and a bit more of analysis. I think it largely is going to depend on the economic numbers right now. The PCE price index is like an inflation rate, but then for the Federal Reserve. So I think it's going to make Bitcoin move. And if it actually can make Bitcoin break above 28,250, I think that's enough bullish momentum for Solana to hold this as a support, get towards $21 and even break above that. And if we can do that, I mean, we'll get up to 22.5. Then at 22.5, I'll still have to make an update, because if we just find resistance there, then we are practically confirming the consolidation we talked about earlier. So it's not confirmed just yet then if we are getting into an uptrend, but then at least we're not getting into a downtrend, which I think already means, well, at least something, right? Definitely in these unstable markets. So given everything, I think this is the most likely scenario, but we do still have to see. If the economic results are bad, if Bitcoin starts crashing, then it's not going to happen. So I'll keep monitoring it. Check out my Bitcoin video if you want more information on the fundamentals and the news today. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.